Hey, in this video, I will be doing a review on this pop voice microphone. It's not like I need a microphone because I'm already loud, but I'm going to do a review anyway. And I'm going to be giving you a tour of my craft disc. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. This is Miss V here. As I stated earlier, I'm going to be doing a review on this little microphone. I saw Denise Jordan. She had this microphone on one of her lives, and I realized how clear her voice was. So I decided to purchase me one. And my sister said my videos are loud, but I told her, you control the volume. So turn the volume down if they loud. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do a review on this microphone so you all can see the difference. So the only thing is, y'all just going to clearly hear me mispronounce words. But that's okay, because, you know, Miss V is real over here. I realize my flaws, and I don't have a problem with my flaws. So just go on about your business. Just realize Miss V, oh well, she mispronounced a word. Okay. I'm just saying. Because I don't need y'all to come in the comment section and tell me how to pronounce a word. I already know I mispronounced it. But evidently I mispronounced it well enough for you to know the correct way to pronounce it. You knew what I was talking about. I'm just saying. That's just my little rant for today. So anyway, this is the microphone. And it clips to your shirt or wherever you want to clip it. And it has the little covering over the microphone to soften up the volume, I guess. And of course, this is the adapter you plug into your phone or camera, whatever you're using. And it also comes with some additional, I don't know what they're called, the proper term. But anyway, covers, I'm going to say additional covers. Has 2 additional covers, and it also has this adapter as well. And you will put that, I think this adapter is for if you want to attach it to your laptop. Let me find out. Hold on. Okay, yes, I was right. This adapter is if you want to attach it to your laptop, so it just goes right into the other adapter and you just put it into your laptop or your desktop. So you can pretty much use it on all devices. So that's it, and it comes with a little velvet case for you to keep the microphone in. And so that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the phone and see if you can tell the difference. I'm going to clip it on here. I'm getting all professional now. Hold on. I'll be back again. So now I have the microphone on, if you can tell the difference. I realize I can't hear it on my end, because I've had this microphone for a while, and I was like, it's not working. My sister got one. She was like, you're not going to hear it. I was like, oh, okay. So this is my review of the microphone. I'm getting good feedback. I used it on my game night, and everybody said my voice was very clear. So I looked at the reviews on Amazon, and there are good reviews on Amazon. So guess what, y'all? I am a member of the Amazon Associate Affiliate Program. So I'll have this microphone linked in my description box. If you hit the and what the affiliate program is, simply I receive a commission, a small commission, if you click the link that's in my description box when you go to Amazon and shop. Even if you click, okay, say you want this microphone, and you click the link for the microphone, and you get on there and realize you don't want the microphone, but you want some more items, I will receive a commission for any items that you purchase during that time that you click my link. And I think that's great, because I'm in the process of working on me a good camera. So that's why I joined the Amazon affiliate link. Same reason why everybody else joined, to make extra money. And y'all know I'm on a debt-free journey. So if you're one of my supporters and you shop on Amazon a lot, I would appreciate it if you click my link. Even if you don't want the microphone, I appreciate if you just click my link and just go shopping through my link. Thank you very much. Miss V loves you. So that's the y'all let me know in the comment section if you can hear me clearly. I'm trying not to talk loud so I can give a good review on the microphone, because I don't want the microphone to do anything that it normally doesn't do. So I'm using my regular voice Yes, this is my regular voice. I'm not loud all the time. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a tour of my, what I think, beautiful, budget-friendly desk that I created using 2 of the 9 cube shelves that I purchased from Target last year, and some plywood and some marble-like shelf liner paper. So I did all that for under $30. So stay tuned for how Miss V organizes her craft room. Okay, and now for my craft desk review tour, rather. If you saw my desk when I first finished it, the sides of the cubes were still black, but I later added some of the marble-like contact paper. I like it this way because it looks like an entire marble desk, in my opinion. So I like it. And you know, I got this chair from Dirt Cheap, regular $135. I got it for $27 and I assembled it myself. I'll link that video. So let's start with my planner for the month of May. This is my planner that I just lay out on my desk just for inspiration. I just like to have my planner laying here. And also later on, to keep from damaging the paper, like with the glue and everything, I'm going to get some like a acrylic mat to put around like the middle part of the desk, you know, where I normally would be doing most of my crafts. So let's start over here with the Cricut. I got my Cricut on this side because I have to attach it to the USB cable to the desktop. So that's why I have it right here on the edge of the desk. And this is my cutter, Reflections cutter that I had stowed away. That's one reason why I went ahead and created a larger desk, because I had so many supplies, but I have to tuck them away and forgot that I had a lot of supplies. And so I decided to make me a larger desk so I can display all my craft supplies. And plus I'm finna get more serious about making my crafts and selling them. So that's another reason why I created this larger desk. And of course, you know, my glue gun. So I put one of these glass, what they call, from the Dollar Tree. Anyway, you know, the little glass mats from the Dollar Tree with the feet on it. I put that under the hot glue gun. I left my glue gun on so that, you know, the glue doesn't damage the marble paper. And so all of my glue items I just lay on here. And so we'll go over here to my spiral sticker holder that I purchased from Hobby Lobby about 2 years ago. And it's kind of uneven. It's heavier on one side, so I have to kind of even these out. And it just comes with these clips. And you just clip your stickers on there. And I tried, originally I tried to have all like stickers together, like all your cartoon characters together, all your Valentine's, all your Halloween, all your Christmas, birthday, but I got to reorganize that. They have since gotten mixed up, so I don't have them in categories like I used to have them. And y'all know my feature wall. So some of the items, some of the pictures and decoration that was on the bottom of the feature wall, I took it off and put it over here because you won't be able to see it because of my desk. And this is a washi tape holder that I got from Michael's about 5 years ago. It's 3 tiers. And it has these little, ow, that hurt. These little attachments in there. As you can see, I done lost some of the attachment. So you put the little attachment in there. And then you just drop the washi holder down on it. And it creates a tiered, like a tiered washi tape holder. So I got that. Each piece was like a different price, and you just create this look. So you can just get 1 tier, 2 tier, 3 tiers, however many tiers you want. And I just opted to get 3. And then it has the organizer over here on the side, the little place where you put your pinions and scissors or whatever you want to put there. And I got me some lotion on my desk, and I got to laugh. I always got something inspirational. And I just received this cute little marble looking, what is this, like a clipboard. And this is a way for me to let me know what video I should do next, That way I can stay focused and not be all over the place. So that tells me I need to do my craft dish tour today. And that's what I'm doing. So I'll take that off and put the one that I need to do next so I can stay focused. And this little notepad comes from the beautiful Kiki, one of my supporters. She sent me that, and that's coming in handy. You see I got that on the disc. And I'm like a boss, y'all. Like a boss, Dollar Tree. And these are some birthday pins that I made years ago, and I just found them by organizing my desk, and I'm going to put them in my Etsy shop for a little child's birthday party that I made. You got Minnie Mouse, you got Spider-Man, Mickey Mouse, Hello Kitty, and another Minnie Mouse. And so this is a large paper clip, and then that's a scale for when I be mailing my Etsy items, and some earrings that I purchased that I'm going to put my monograms on. And this is one of those paper holders that you get from the Dollar Tree I got last year. And I just dropped some of that decorative tape over it. Got me some tissue. Got my beautiful not wedding picture, one of my pictures of me and my husband. Just memories while I'm in here working. And y'all see the Miss V sign right there. And with the other one I decided to do, Miss V is debt free 100%. I call on things as though they are. So all of this is inspirational for me. And this little box, I think this was like a fishing box to put hooks and things in it. And I found it at the thrift store for like $3, and I purchased it and used it for my craft. So you know I got everything labeled. And then it had like 3 drawers missing, and one of my beautiful supporters, I love my supporters because they really helped me. They suggested I was asking them what should I put in those empty spaces because it looked kind of tacky, and they said put my ink pads in there, and that's what I did. And I had 3 ink pads that fit perfectly, so that's great. Then just got some extra supplies, those little what you call them, rose tea lights from the Dollar Tree. I didn't have anywhere to put them, just let them sit there. Then this beautiful cup from my sister. She gave me this about 3 or 4 years ago. Because I have a sister, I always have a friend. That's sweet. And then I just got some stuff in here. And over here, this cute little flamingo tape dispenser. I just got this in friend mail from the beautiful Maddie of Work-Life Balance. Thank you, Maddie. I think that's cute. Then I got my staple that I got from Dollar Tree that I wrapped in some of that decorative tape. And the same thing with this tape dispenser. And then this is my label, my Dymo label machine. Then this is just a plate that my daughter gave me. I just put extra things in here. That's some more washi tape I got from the Dollar Tree. And this is my organizer for all my pens and everything. Got another picture of me and my husband. Then I got these candle former. They used to be candle holders. I washed them out, cleaned them out, and use them as organizers for these items. And y'all remember when Dollar Tree had these cute little garbage cans? I just got that to put extra things in. Just got a little ladybug. And got some coasters that I made using the nautical rope from Dollar Tree for one of the challenges. And then this is just extra supplies right here. I always got my lip balm. So that's it. So as you can see, I needed a larger desk because you can see all the stuff I have on here. At first I was like, it's crowded. But then I said, no, it's organized. And I know where everything is, so that's fine. In time, I'll take some of this stuff off the desk. But right now, I'm still kind of organizing, so that's why it kind of looks crowded. So we're going to go over here. We're going to go to the 9 shelf cubes, and I'll show you what's in both of these cubes.